Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a Pearson Chi-Square Goodness-of-Fit Test using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. You can find my add-in by going to my GitHub account and download the file, open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and then Go, browse for the downloaded file, and then it should install. If you don't want to use my add-in, then I have a separate video on that. So this video will focus on just simply how to get the output. The function of interest is TS Pearson GOF for goodness of fit. It takes as input the data, which should be a vertical range and a specific range. So not an entire column, so don't go column A, really say A to till whatever it is. You can also add expected counts, and then you need two columns, one with the categories and one with the expected counts. If you like, you can also apply a continuity correction, either the E.S. Pearson, the Williams, the Yates, or a slightly different version from Yates itself. On my website and in the documentation you can find some more details on the differences. Now it will return the function, the sample size, the number of categories, the chi-square value, the degrees of freedom, which is simply the number of categories minus 1, the p-value or the significance, the minimum expected count, and the proportion of cells that had an expected count below 5. Finally, there's a small description of the test that was used. So to use this, I'll simply type in the name of the formula, then give it the specific range, hit enter, and it spits out all those values. In this case, the p-value, the E minus 269, means to multiply this by 1 over 10 to the power of 269. So it's going to be 0 point and then about 269 zeros and then 356. So extremely small, far below the usual threshold of 0.05. So we would reject the assumption that all the categories were equal. So in this case, they're probably not. Alright, in the population. And that is basically it. I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.